When it comes to saving money at home on the grocery bill, there's no better way to do it than growing your own food at home. And the place to start when it comes to getting all the ideas and the things you need is your local garden centre. When it comes to edible plants, there are a few tricks that I can share that help you enjoy maximum success. And the first is to only ever choose the healthiest, hardiest plants when you're in the garden centre. And that means that there's no dead leaves, that the plants are nice and full in the pot. And here's a little tip for you. Don't be scared just to tip them over like that, ease the pot off and look at those roots. You see those beautiful white roots all around the outside, and the fact that it's not root bound, well, that is a classic sign of a super healthy plant. The plants you choose should complement the cuisine that you love. In this instance, I've gone for Swan Valley Nursery's oregano, thyme, rosemary and some parsley. Now these are the kitchen essentials and they'll do a great job on a regular basis right through the spring season. Quality potting mix is the next thing you have to look out for. Now the red tick is the Australian Premium Standard and it guarantees a composted aerated soil that's got nutrients and will support rapid growth. When you open the bag, the soil should be rich and organic. You can use gloves if you're handling the soil, but if you're like me and you love the feel of soil in your hands, just make sure you wash your hands thoroughly after use to avoid exposure. Now, the next stage and most important one is the selection of pots. Now, you can use any old pot, but I love to go for some of the latest innovations. Now, this is Elho. This is a company in the Netherlands that makes beautiful plastic pottery. Window planters have this problem with plastic where they tend to bulge in the middle, they lose their shape, but these guys have thought it all out. They've got a little rod here that just pops into two holes and holds that shape, keeps it looking good all the time. Now the next stage of this is a little bit of soil in and plants. Place some soil in the bottom of the pot, allowing the plants to sit about 5 centimetres under the outside edge or rim of the pot. Then gently fill in the gaps with the potting mix. Once they are placed, firm them in gently and water to ensure that there's no air pockets in around the roots that might dry them out. And remember, if you want to get your hands on any of this, of course, it's going to be down at your local Waldecks Garden Centre. And these herbs, the Swan Valley Nursery herbs, are available from leading garden centres everywhere.